everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. How are you doing today? So I would advise you to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single step, because this video is quite detailed. First, I'm sectioning the hair into two equal different portions, making sure that the lines, it's like the line in between it's really neat. So now I have one portion on the left hand side and the other portion on the right hand side. So for the one on the right hand side, I'm putting it into like a big cornrow so that it doesn't get in the way while I'm trying to style the portion on the left hand side. Alright, for this side of the hair, of her hair, we'll just go ahead to section a little portions, and I'm going to be securing it with thread, just little thread. And while sectioning it, I'm going to be adding gel to the hair, making it look sleek like so. At this point, because the process right now is self-explanatory, I'm just going to allow you guys to watch so that you understand the whole process, or you understand what I'm doing at this point. So we'll repeat the same process on the other side of the head, which is the right hand side of the head.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else love me like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you.
So yeah, after styling, I went on to join all the tips of the hair together on a straight line. You can decide to cross, you can decide to do whatever you feel will be fine, but for me, I just did like straight line. I just did twisting, like single twist, join everything together, and while joining I used gel to do so. So that clip, I didn't know my camera wasn't recording that part of the video, and that was how I lost the clip, so I'm so sorry. So I'm just going to allow it dry. You can decide to air dry it, but we wanted it to be very fast, so that's why we decided to use the wall dryer to dry the hair. Moving on, for the tip of the hair at the back, we'll just first attach extension, that's normal braiding extension, just to make it longer, because the hair the extension or the weave we're going to install at that part is quite short, so we want the hair to be a little bit longer, so that's why we're going to be doing this method. So we'll just attach braiding hair extension to it and box braid it long enough to the length we feel will be fine, or the length our client wants us to make. So yeah, this is the extension we are going to be using. That's the weave. We are going to be using it's a Bohemian weave Xpression product. We are going to be using this on the tip of the hair. That's the box braided part of the hair. And yeah, for the tip of the hair, we'll just sew it round and round, sew it round the box braid, just round and round the box braid, starting from the tip of the hair to gradually taking it to the root of the box braid. That's the box braid we already made with braiding hair extension initially. And for sewing, we are using 2 wefts for this particular part of the hair or this particular part of the cornrow. So gradually we are going to move over to using 4 wefts at a time. And for this style, we use just 2 bundles of the hair, the Bohemian weaves. We use just 2 bundles.
That's true, indeed. I'm begging you, you make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how.
Alright, so we actually want the hair to be full at a time, so at the back, so that's why we are giving her this baby, or we want it to look like, to give her this baby kind of look. So we are going to take it further to the front a little bit. Just when we get to the root of the box braid, we'll still take it further a little bit so that it will be full. Once we get to the root, we'll just start taking it round. So we're going to be doing like the round closing method, and while taking it round, we gave like a little bit space to move a little bit further. You guys you're just seeing what we are doing, because I think watching it is a little bit self-explanatory. So at a point we switch to like 4 wefts at a time or 3 wefts at a time, just so that part will be full as well. We do not want it to look scanty because we want her to have this, I already said that before, babyish look. So yeah, we'll be placing it like so and sewing it. So at this point, I'm just going to allow you just watch to see how we are going to close this part of the hair. So yeah, this is what the finished hair looks like. And what do you guys think about this style? Do you like it? Is this something you're going to try? The hairstyle, is this something you're going to try? Just let me know in the comment section below. Give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. get away.